So you want to get your computer set up and to stream directly to Trovo, but you're finding out that, oh, I only have a Mac. Well, good news, with Ecamm Live, you can still stream to Trovo with no problem. And I'll show you how to do that right now. Now, the first thing that you really want to do is actually go to your Trovo account to get 2 items that you need for setting up your account to stream to Trovo. So let's go ahead, go to Trovo, go ahead and log in by clicking on the login that will show up here. Now, you'll see here underneath the Indie Creator Hub logo, there is your picture. Go ahead, click on that. Go ahead and click on Creative Studio. This is going to open up a new page. And what you need is the host URL, which is this right here, and your stream key. So let me go ahead and show you where you'll need to put that. Now, this is what your Ecamm Live will be typically looking like. You have your main window feed here of what you're looking at or is being showcased to your stream. Also, you have your overlays, your sound levels, your scenes, comments, reactions. I'm not going to go into what exactly everything is. This is just getting started and setting up Trovo within Ecamm Live. So I'm going to show you here on this screen grab is on the bottom right corner of your video feed, you'll notice a drop down. It says destination. What you want to do is click on that and then click on custom stream key. Now, this is going to open up a new window where you're going to have to enter the host URL or the domain name, which you got from your Trovo account, and also copy and paste the stream key into the section there where it asks you to enter the stream key. And that's it. All you need to do is click OK and continue on. Now, when you do stream on Ecamm Live, if you stream to Twitch, YouTube, or any other service like Periscope or Facebook or anything like that, the comments will come in. Unfortunately, for RTMP streaming, you will not get your comments and reactions within Ecamm. That's just a limitation of the software. Unfortunately, that is going to be the case if you stream any kind of other places that take RTMP. Comments and reactions will not come into Ecamm. You can keep a window open or put another window here for your comments within Trovo. That is a workaround. It's not the most glamorous, but it does. Now, that is pretty much it for streaming to Trovo. If you do have any questions or comments, do leave them in the comments down below, and I would definitely love to answer them as best as I can. If I don't have the answer, I'll send you or give you a link to a place that you more than likely will find an answer. Now click on this video where I'll guide you how to set up overlays or to find the perfect overlays that you can use in your Ecamm Live from Pixel Chat.